What is up, YouTube? It's your boy AJ for the win, back at it again with yet another shoe video. And you know, today the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux was released this morning for a price of $190. It was kind of a limited shoe in a way. Like, not a lot of people I've seen actually hit on the Flex app. I actually did hit on the Flex app, but I did not hit on like Champs, Foot Action, all the raffles I did. I only hit on one shoe at Foot Locker. So you already know, man, we're gonna go to the store, we're gonna pick up the shoes, we're gonna see if we're gonna like them, we're gonna hold them, we're gonna flip them, we're gonna trade them, do what we gotta do with the shoes, man. You know, every single release is nothing new, man. It's nothing new. Before we get into it, man, I really need y'all to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, turn on post notifications, all the good stuff, because you know we're bringing them bangers. Every single release is not stopping. This shoe I'm definitely looking forward to seeing in hand, because it definitely resembles another shoe, the Bordeaux 7s. They just put on a 6, and you know, I really like 6s. So definitely I'm really looking forward to seeing, you know, what this shoe looks like. Without further ado, man, we gonna head to the mall. Y'all can see a B-roll, and I'll see y'all when we get back. So let's get it. Let's go. So we are back at the crib. As you can see, man, we just picked up the shoes from Foot Locker. As you can see right here, I'm definitely excited to see what this looks like I said, because the Jordan 7 Bordeaux look just like the shoe. You know, it's called the same. They just put on the 6, and I was not able to pick up, you know, them 7s. So I'm really looking forward to see, like, you know, what these 6s look like in hand. I heard it was kind of a limited release, like, which is crazy to me. But it was kind of a limited release. It's probably because, you know, late shipments and all that good stuff. You know, we're still in that COVID era, pandemic. So, you know, late shipments are, you know, just a thing nowadays. But regardless, man, let's get into this shoe. Got a regular Jordan 6 box, you know, nothing crazy. The all black Jordan 6 box. Size tag reads Air Jordan 6 Retro, black, Bordeaux, and light graphite right there. As you can see, size 11, my personal size. So we gonna open this box up like this, and you know, the regular cement print paper that comes with our Jordan 6s. So we gonna peel this down, and as you can see it right here, man, the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux, I've not seen these, and oh yeah, these tough. And boom, man, there you guys have it, the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux, man. This is crazy because I remember when the Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux came out, I wasn't really into shoes, but I definitely seen these on in school, and I was like, man, I really like that shoe. But you know, the prices are crazy right now, and you know, they gave us the Jordan 6 Bordeaux. They didn't give us a 7, which, I mean, I don't know why they didn't just give us a 7, but they definitely gave us a 6. It's definitely a cool colorway, as you can see. And just off a first glimpse, I'm really digging this shoe, man. I'm really liking this shoe. This definitely looks just like the Jordan 7. But anyway, man, let's get into the review. So the bottom, you guys can see it. It already looks like it's been worn out. You do not have the blue on the outer sole. You have, like, it's like grayed out, look blacked out kind of, in my opinion, with our little yellow Jumpman right here and our Bordeaux color on the outside. I really like that touch, definitely. So going into the medial side of the shoe right here, we have our black on the 2-3 area right here. If y'all didn't notice, it kind of looks like a 2-3. People say that. We have our graphite right here, hits right there, and definitely looking on to our little midsole area, we got our gray right here and our black right there. Going into the outer part of the shoe, same way, same thing on the inside, right here. As you can tell, and to the toe box, we got our gray toe box with our, you know, tongue looking like the same Bordeaux and our black little Jumpman right there. But then we have our hits of the little yellow showing again right here, and then on the inside too, you can kind of see that right there. We have a like little hit right there, and as well as on the inside, blue hit. What's actually crazy though is on the inside tongue of the shoe. As you can see it right there, it's like all these different colors, like, you know, that looks on the 7. I really like that actually. And then also on the inside right here, you can kind of see the little blue on the sole. as well as, you know, the other colors right there. If you guys can see that. Lastly, for the back, we didn't get our Nike Air, but we got our Jordan Air on the back tab right here with our black Jumpman and our black Air. And then again, with our hit of Bordeaux, and then green actually on the little spoiler tab right there. And then finally bringing out the other pair. It looks exactly the same, but we do have an extra set of laces right here in our Bordeaux laces. Definitely, if you look at the shoe right here, I think the black looks great, honestly. This definitely probably could work as well. And also, if you did have like maybe a yellow, I don't know if you're gonna swap it out like that. I definitely think these black laces though, definitely probably is the move. But man, that is it for this shoe. If you want to talk about resale prices right now are looking like $270 to $280, maybe even a little higher. If you wear like, you know, the bigger sizes. Definitely, if you want to cop this shoe, I definitely say wait just a little bit more, because they definitely did not release, like, even grade school in my area, people really didn't have grade school for this shoe, so it's definitely late shipments. So if you do want this shoe, I definitely say just hold on a little bit. It's not going to go up to no $350 in like 2-3 weeks like you see Jordan 4s do. I definitely say wait like a couple weeks. They're probably going to restock it again at your local Foot Lockers, you know, maybe Finish Lines and stuff. So definitely give them a call. They might go back on the app. I don't know. Who knows nowadays. But definitely, this shoe is definitely a clean colorway. It looks just like the Jordan 7 Bordeaux. If you couldn't get that, this is definitely a great alternate, and it's definitely way cheaper than those 7s. But man, without further ado, man, we definitely have more videos on the way. There's a great restock that happened. Y'all gonna definitely see that in the next couple days or so. Let me know down below if you were able to cop these shoes on release day. It was kind of crazy. There's a lot of pairs still out there, so if you didn't hit for retail yet, I definitely say hold on. If you really can, I definitely say hold on. But without further ado, man, I'll give you guys one more 360 of this shoe. Don't forget to comment down below if you were able to cop these shoes for the retail, or you do have plans on copping these and stuff like that. Man, make sure you guys like the video, make sure you comment down below, you turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Share with a friend, share with another friend, and share with everybody, because you know we're bringing bangers all 2021, man. Without further ado, man, I appreciate the love, appreciate the support. I'm AJ for the win. I got the shoe right here, and we out.
I just might pull up in robes, chopper make you hit the wall. Shawty got eye when I'm high, so they low. I ain't no Cherokee, but I told pose.